Hello and welcome everyone to our Facebook page. Today we will see how to make different crafts using pieces of egg tray. We have made some flowers and now we will make a cute doll with the egg tray. We have already made the pieces and now we will attach with each other by using a rope. You can see we are adding the texture and now this is ready. Next again we will use the egg tray to make a turtle. Here we are using some clays to make the turtle, you can see, and then we will add the texture on the shell. We are using the pen, you can use the marker. You can see this is ready. Now again we have cutted and colored some egg tray and pasted it on the paper to make it a Christmas tree. We have also made the snowman, you can see, and your craft is completed now. Next again we are using some pieces of egg tray to make a earthworm. You can see how beautiful it is looking now. Now we will cut some pieces of egg tray and we will cut it in the flower shape. Now we will paste it on the paper and we will use some paper strips to make the stem. Now we will color the flowers. You can see now your bouquet is ready. Again we are tearing some egg trays and we are cutting it in a shape of a flower. You can see how beautiful the egg trays are looking. Now we will color it, and after coloring it we will add some glue to it and we will paste some decorative into it. You can see how patiently we are adding the decorative after coloring it, and now we are coloring a different color on the egg tray and we will decorate it with the decoratives and we will paste all the pieces of egg tray with each other. You can see now we are making the crown from it. You can see how beautiful the crown is looking now. Now you can hang it or you can use it to wear. So now we are using the egg tray and we have colored it and pasted it on the paper to make some mushrooms. You can see how we are adding the texture to the mushroom and how beautiful it is looking now. Next again we have cutted some piece of egg tray and also the paper and made a beautiful girl. We are making the tail of the girl. You can see how beautifully we are making it, and the girl is ready now. And now we will make with the egg tray eggshell. Here you can see we have used the eggshell to make the face of a hen chick. Now we have completed the hen chick. You can see how we have used the clay. Now again we are using some egg tray and we have cutted it in flower shape, and now we will paste it on the paper, and after pasting it we will add the middle part and will make a bug in the upward part. Thank you very much for watching the video.